Right now, at least 6 children have died in a hot car this year nationwide.
That includes a 7-month-old girl who died after being left inside a minivan in Hamlet, North Carolina on Monday. And this has some asking, if you see a child or pet locked in a hot car, what should you do? Let's verify. Our sources are Matthews Police PIO Tim Aycock, attorney Gary Mauney, South Carolina law and North Carolina law. In both North and South Carolina, you are protected by law to break or enter a vehicle if you notice a person in distress and in need of immediate medical attention.
You're not going to be liable for breaking and entering or any type of a criminal offense if you walk by a vehicle and you see a human being inside of the vehicle that is in obvious physical distress.
But could the owner of the car still sue you if you break open a window to save a person from a locked vehicle? Mauney says technically yes, but the chances of the lawsuit going anywhere is very thin.
I don't see a judge allowing that claim to go forward. The whole purpose of this statute is to embody the idea that a human life is more important than property.
However, Mauney says the same law does not apply to animals.
There's an animal in the car, and you see that the animal is probably in distress based on reasonable facts and circumstances, then you do need to call animal control. The statute doesn't protect you from a breaking and entering in that situation.
Matthews Police PIO Tim Aycock says in either instance, before you do anything, call 911.
We really want to be able to get there as quickly as we can and do what we need to do to save lives if possible.
And we also have some good safety tips for parents and caregivers. Trying placing the child's diaper bag or one of their items in the front passenger seat as a visual cue, rather, that the child is with you.
Yeah, also, you just want to make it a habit of opening the back door every time you park to make sure no one is left behind.